Endemim Walachu. Prime Minister Hailemariam, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor for me to be here tonight as the first sitting United States President to visit Ethiopia, and I want to thank the great people of Ethiopia. Ethiopians are an ancient people in an ancient land. We honor Ethiopia as the birthplace of humankind. In fact, I just met Lucy, our oldest ancestor. As your great poet laureate wrote, "Here is the land where the first harmony in the rainbow was born. Here is the root of the genesis of life. The human family was first planted here." When you see our ancestor, 3.5 million years old, we are reminded that Ethiopians, Americans, all the people of the world are part of the same human family, the same chain. Of course, of the many contributions Ethiopia has made to the world over the centuries, I'm certain that Americans want to thank you for one in particular, discovering something that sustains people around the world day and night, and many people in the White House, and that is coffee. Thank you, Ethiopia. We are large consumers of coffee in the White House. Tonight I'd like to offer a toast to another century of friendship, to another century of friendship, to our one human family, and to a bright future for the land where the first harmony of the rainbow was born. Letanaki. For you Americans, that means to our health. Or cheers.
Oh, yeah. Ah, it's so good. In your language, how do you say very good? Madamto. Madamtro. 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 Here I.
Just last week, where the New Love America has certified, has a lab that is certified on it.
If you drink black coffee, you're a psychopath. Maybe. A survey suggests people who prefer bitter foods like black coffee are more likely to have psychopathic personality traits and are generally more narcissistic and sadistic. But that's not all you can infer from a person's coffee preference. Additional research suggests black coffee drinkers are straightforward purists that like to keep things simple. On the other hand, they can be moody and resistant to change. If you add some cream and sugar in your cup of joe, there's a chance you're a comfort seeker that will go out of your way to help others. The downside is that you don't take the greatest care of yourself. Case in point, the added calories from your cream and sugar. If frozen and blended coffee drinks are your thing, you're probably an imaginative trendsetter that can be reckless at times. If your caffeine fix sounds more like a short story than a coffee order, you probably like to be in control. These people are known to be selfish, obsessive perfectionists, but also happen to be very aware of their health and their bodies. And if you don't like coffee, get away from me.